Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be exploring the exciting world of information and communication technology, ICT, in research and higher education. ICT has revolutionized the way we communicate, share information, conduct simulations, and evaluate our findings. So, let's dive right in. When it comes to conducting research, ICT provides a plethora of resources at our fingertips. For instance, searching for research papers has become much easier with specialized search engines like Google Scholar, Microsoft Academic Search, ScienceScope, and ResearchGate. These platforms connect researchers from around the world and facilitate the exchange of knowledge. Other platforms such as BioHunter, Edu, SSRN, DATASET, and Wiki Journal Club cater to specific research needs. BioHunter serves as a portal for researchers, Edu provides a platform to share research papers, SSRN acts as a repository for multidisciplinary articles in social sciences, DATASET grants access to millions of articles, and Wiki Journal Club offers summaries on medical research. Sharing datasets and code is crucial for collaborative research. Platforms like Databank, Google, GitHub, and the Open Science Framework allow researchers to share and access valuable resources. Additionally, SlideShare and government portals like gov.uk, gov.usa, and gov.in Open Government Data, OGD, provide datasets and information for research purposes. CodeOcean offers an environment for executable code and reproducible research. Networking plays a vital role in research and higher education. Online platforms like academia.edu, ResearchGate, Academic Joy, Experiment, LinkedIn, Thinkable, and ScienceOpen allow researchers to connect with peers, share ideas, and collaborate on projects. Communication tools such as Google Meet, Zoom, WebEx, Skype, and TeamViewer make remote collaboration seamless. Access to a vast collection of digital resources is crucial for researchers. Digital libraries like the National Digital Library of India, NDL, Internet Archive, NROA, Open Library, Many Books, and SciHub.tw provide access to a wide range of academic books, journals, and educational resources. Simulation and lab project management tools help researchers conduct experiments and manage their projects efficiently. Virtual labs by NMEACT and MHRD offer virtual laboratory environments, while tools like LabSuite and LiveLab aid in inventory management and lab operations. Light Technology Lab Management Tool simplifies the process of managing lab resources. Writing and publishing research papers can be a challenging task, but ICT has made it easier. Citation styles and reference management tools like Papers, Zotero, Draft, TypeWrite, and ScienceOpen assist researchers in organizing their references, collaborating on manuscripts, and ensuring accurate citations. And that's a wrap on the impact of ICT in research and higher education. The advancements in communication, information sharing, simulation, evaluation, networking, digital libraries, and research paper writing tools have transformed the way we approach academic endeavors. As technology continues to evolve, we can only expect further advancements that will revolutionize the world of research and education. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. As always, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.